Sensibility and practicality define the 2018 Chevrolet Tahoe. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. This model accommodates 7 passengers comfortably and provides features such as leather upholstery, a power seat, heated front and rear seats, a power rear cargo door, blind spot sensor, adjustable pedals, and seat memory. Premium sound drives 9 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Curtain airbags combine with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just 1 previous owner. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Come on in and take a test drive.